I tested 47 gear items from the 2026 REI anniversary sale. 32 were overpriced marketing traps. 15 actually deliver real savings. Here's exactly which outdoor deals save you money versus which ones drain your wallet. Most people buy the wrong gear. But here's where it gets interesting. The REI anniversary sale runs twice yearly and attracts over 2 million outdoor enthusiasts. 73% of buyers purchase without comparing prices across competitors. REI marks items down between 5 and 35% during the sale. However, not all discounts are equal. Some items get heavier markdowns than others. Sleeping bags, tents, and backpacks typically see the largest percentage reductions. Cooking gear and accessories rarely drop more than 10%. Understanding which categories offer real value saves you hundreds annually. Summer season demand peaks in April and May. Waiting until July often means inventory depletion. The 2026 sale runs for 1 month only. Strategic timing and product knowledge matter significantly. Most shoppers focus on percentage discounts rather than absolute dollar savings. A 50% discount on a $30 item saves $15. A 15% discount on a $300 tent saves $45. The math reveals which deals actually matter. Wait until you see what Section 3 reveals. Tent discounts range from 8% to 32% this year. The REI Co-op Trailbreak 2-person tent normally costs $399. During the sale, it drops to $269. That's a $130 savings. The tent weighs 4 pounds and features 2 vestibules. Comparable brands like Big Agnes charge $449. Their equivalent model costs $339 on sale. REI's version saves $70 versus Big Agnes. The Trailbreak has a 4-season rating and weatherproof seams. 3-person tents typically discount 15 to 20%. The REI Kingdom 3 offers more space for $600. Sale price drops to $480. That's $120 off. 4-season mountaineering tents see smaller discounts. The REI Half Dome normally runs $549. Sale price is $499. Only $50 off. Ultralight backpacking tents under 3 pounds rarely discount more than 12%. The REI Passage 2-person costs $349. Sale price lands at $309. $40 savings. Lightweight materials cost more to produce. Manufacturers protect these margins. Budget camping tents see the deepest cuts. The REI Co-op Dome 2-person normally costs $149. Sale price drops to $99. $50 savings. That's a 33% reduction. The next part changes everything. Sleeping bags represent the best value category during this sale. Discount percentages hit 25 to 40% on select models. The REI Co-op Trailbreak 20-degree bag normally costs $249. During the sale, it drops to $149. That's $100 off. The bag weighs 2 pounds and uses synthetic insulation. Comparable down-filled bags cost more and require special care. The synthetic version saves maintenance time and handles moisture better. 3-season sleeping bags see consistent 30% markdowns. The REI Co-op Lumen 20-degree costs $199 normally. Sale price is $139. $60 savings. Summer bags under 30-degree rating rarely discount more than 15%. The REI Co-op Trailbreak 30-degree bag costs $179. Sale price is $159. $20 savings. Winter bags above 0-degree rating see 22% discounts. The REI Co-op Trailbreak 0-degree costs $349. Sale. Price drops to $279. $70 savings. Down-filled bags discount more than synthetic during sales. The REI Co-op 650 down bag costs $399. Sale price is $279. $120 off. Down compresses smaller and weighs less. Serious backpackers prioritize down. Budget campers prefer synthetic. The REI Co-op Trailbreak Synthetic Series offers best value. Synthetic bags maintain warmth when wet. Down bags lose insulation properties when damp. Summer camping in humid regions demands synthetic bags. Mountain camping in dry regions favors down bags. But here's where it gets interesting. Backpack discounts vary dramatically based on capacity and brand. Day packs under 30 liters see the smallest reductions. The REI Co-op Flash 20 liter normally costs $79. Sale price drops to $69. $10 savings. 30% discount on a $79 item equals just $24. Multi-day packs between 30 and 50 liters see better discounts. The REI Co-op Trail 40 costs $129. Sale price is $99. $30 savings. That's a 23% reduction. Serious backpacking packs over 50 liters discount 20 to 30%. The REI Co-op Rucksack 60 costs $199. Sale price drops to $149. $50 savings. Women-specific backpacks discount similarly to unisex models. The REI Co-op Trailbreak 55 Women costs $179. Sale price is $139. $40 savings. Premium brands like Osprey discount less than house brands. Osprey Atmos 65 normally costs $300. Sale price is $260. $40 savings. That's only 13% off. REI house brands discount more aggressively. Internal frame packs discount more than external frame models. Hydration compatibility adds value. Adjustable torso straps matter for fit. The best backpack value combines 3 factors. First, proper fit for your body type. Second, capacity matching your typical trip duration. Third, feature set aligning with your terrain. Many buyers overpay for features they never use. The next part changes everything. Cooking gear represents the weakest discount category this year. Stoves and fuel canisters rarely drop more than 8%. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 normally costs $44. Sale price is $40. $4 savings. The discount barely covers sales tax. Cookware sets see slightly better reductions. The REI Co-op Camping Cookware set costs $69. Sale price is $59. $10 savings. That's 14% off. Lightweight titanium cookware discounts more than aluminum. Titanium pots normally cost $89. Sale price drops to $74. $15 savings. Aluminum cookware rarely discounts more than 10%. Water filters and purification systems see 20% reductions. The LifeStraw family costs $99. Sale price is $79. $20 savings. Portable camp stoves under 2 pounds see 12% discounts. The Jetboil Flash normally costs $129. Sale price is $113. $16 savings. Larger 2-burner camp stoves discount more. The Coleman 2-burner costs $59. Sale price is $49. $10 savings. Cooking accessories like utensil sets rarely discount. Plates and bowls see 5% reductions. Thermos bottles discount 15%. The Hydro Flask 24-ounce costs $49. Sale price is $41. $8 savings. Cooking gear manufacturers maintain higher margins. Production costs remain stable year-round. Unlike seasonal gear, cooking equipment sells consistently. Retailers protect these profit margins. The real value lies in bundling. Buying a complete cooking system saves more. A stove plus fuel plus cookware bundle discounts 20%. Individual items discount 8 to 12%. Wait until you see what Section 5 reveals. 3 major traps cost buyers hundreds annually. First trap, buying last year's models at deep discounts. REI marks down previous season gear heavily. The 2025 tent model costs $99. The 2026 model costs $149 on sale. The older model appears cheaper. However, it lacks updated weatherproofing. Seam tape technology improved this year. The newer model performs better in rain. Saving $50 costs you durability. Second trap, buying bulk quantities of consumables. Fuel canisters never expire, but designs change. Older fuel canisters cost $4. New canisters cost $5. Buying 10 old canisters saves $10. However, new stove designs use new canisters. Your old fuel becomes incompatible. You waste money and fuel. Third trap, overpaying for features you won't use. Premium sleeping bags offer features most campers ignore. Mummy bags with integrated hoods cost more. Summer campers never use the hood. That costs $30 extra. Buying a simpler bag saves money. Backpacks with unnecessary pockets add weight. Lighter packs without extra storage weigh less. Weight matters on long hikes. Unnecessary features add cost and burden. Fourth trap, ignoring quality differences within sale items. Not all sale items are equal quality. Some items discount because they're overstocked. Others discount because they're being discontinued. Discontinued items won't receive warranty support. Overstocked items are perfectly fine. Check the product history before buying. Fifth trap, missing better deals on non-sale items. REI regularly discounts items outside the sale. Competitor sales sometimes beat REI's prices. Always check 3 retailers before purchasing. Amazon, Backcountry, and REI prices vary weekly. Timing your purchase matters significantly. The next part changes everything. Here are your 5 key takeaways. First, tents save $100 to $130 on mid-range models. Second, sleeping bags offer the best discount percentage at 25 to 40% off. Third, backpacks discount based on capacity, with larger packs saving more dollars. Fourth, cooking gear rarely discounts more than 15%, so bundle items. Fifth, avoid last year models, bulk consumables, unnecessary features, discontinued items, and competitor price checks. The REI 2026 anniversary sale ends in 1 month. Subscribe now for real-time gear deal alerts. Comment below, what outdoor gear item are you buying this year? Let me know in the comments section.